Are you thinking about starting a clothing line, but you don't really know what products you actually want to produce for your customers? Well, you stumbled across the right video. Hello, my name is Michael and I am the owner of ECG Graphics and Printing. ECG is a design and print shop located in Southern California where we help all types of businesses amplify their brand strategy and their brand message. So you can only imagine the different types of clothing lines that come through our doors every single day. So I've seen a lot of different strategies and techniques that allow for some clothing lines to be more successful than others. And what I want to do is share those resources with you. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to this channel by hitting that subscribe button and also banging on the notification bell. Before we get started, we do want to identify one thing, and that is your PTM or potential tribe member. And that is going to be the person that you are creating your products for. It's the person that you created your clothing line for, and ultimately it's who you're looking to serve. Okay, so you've got to identify who that person is and be very specific in who that person is. When developing products, I like to think about it in a 5-step process.
So it all starts with your PTMs, and they have current purchases and desires. And your competitors are supplying those current purchases with their products. And then there's you on the other hand. And then you have your purpose. And you and your competitors share products, but they're to a different PTM. And in the middle, that's the products that you should be offering. So you should offer products that your PTMs desire that your competitors are not making that are aligned with your purpose.
If you like this video or you took something from it, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you're looking to kickstart your clothing line, I am going to be hosting a live training talking about the 5 components to what makes a clothing brand successful. So you can sign up for that and register for that down in the description below. Also, right behind me, this is my book. So I wrote this book for you. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can start, manage, and grow your clothing line. If you're looking at getting a copy of this, I will have a link to where you can pre-order this down in the description below. Please check out the next video where I give the 6 steps on how to start your clothing line. I'll see you in that video.